I don't think you understand what I'm saying here. We can't publish this. I don't even know where you got these sources. A snake charmer? What the hell is that?
I was actually pretty lucky to get the snake charmer. He's usually booked with harmonic hypnosis, and so he doesn't...
I don't care. I told you to write a movie review on Wreck-It Ralph. If you can't write something people can actually read, then I don't think you have a job here.
Okay, yeah, I think I could do that. I do need more money for my caterpillar farms. They're running out of food.
I want to give you one last chance. Maybe something you can actually do. Have you heard of this new cult, the Birds of Passage?
Yeah, I actually haven't been bird watching in a while, so I don't think I would have seen them around.
What? No! There's some kind of hippie cult. There's rumours going around town that they set up some kind of commune. They've been going around town doing all kinds of weird shit. If there's one story out there you can actually write, it's this one.
I don't even know where I'd find these birds.
First of all, they're not birds, they're people. And if you don't find them, you're fired.
Oh.
You need to leave now.
Yeah, I just don't know what I'm going to do. My caterpillars are running out of food. And if I lost my job, I couldn't buy any more.
Shut up about the caterpillars, man. How are you going to pay rent?
Yeah, whatever. I just need to find these people. Do you know where they might be?
I don't know. Just go ask people on the street.
Okay. Yeah, I guess I'll just go out in the street and see if anybody knows anything about the Birds of Passage. Do you think I should wear my trench coat? Hello? Ugh.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure they've been milking my cows while I sleep.
They've been sneaking in at night, letting cats in the dump.
Yeah, they're stealing street signs and turning them into boats.
How would you even do that?
I don't know, but they're doing it, you know.
Okay.
Hey! You looking for the bird people?
Yeah.
You should follow her. She's one of them.
Yeah, you're fired.
Want to join our song circle? We should show them our street sign boats.
Oh yeah, we can show them the caterpillar farm.